Today we wanted to discuss the overall floor plan of the main level of the house. I'm trying to make this a relatively short video. So we have a 16-foot garage, which some people consider a 2-car garage. I could think of this as a 1.5-car garage. I said it wrong in my last video, so I think this is as a 1.5, and this is a 1-car. And so I mostly will be parking my motorcycles and kids' bikes and stuff over here, and then have room for the car over here. Over here will be tool storage, shovels, rakes, that sort of thing. And then this will just be the wall, because it's kind of tucked back, for the cubbies near the front door. This is the drop zone, so this is our front door right here. And this is a view window, so this is just a full glazing. With the HOA, they had wanted some more dimension on the front of the house, so I told them I could pop in the front porch a little bit, which is nice because then it gives a little bit of an alcove and cover for the front porch, which will be good. But we can step in. There'll be this bench here to sit on to change shoes or what have you. And then this is actually the mechanical closet. It's very small relative to most mechanical closets in most houses, because this house has no furnace. It is heated with hydronic radiant heat, and so there's just a tankless water heater which services the whole house for all of its domestic water. Then here we have built-in cubbies. Me, my wife, my daughter, son, and then this will be a family one / a guest one. And so all of those cubbies will go here. And then there'll be a coat rack that sits on top of this door. This door will be invisible. It's going to be a trimmed out acoustic panel door. There'll be a few of those throughout the house as accent pieces, as well as to hide and conceal doors. This is the garage, obviously, so we just have some full height cabinets for storage, lower cabinets, and upper cabinets. Then I have a central vac system right here. This is where my central vac canister will go. I'll have an outlet here in the garage, and all of the central vac that I'm using will be hide-a-hose, so there's no hose that you carry around. You just have the head that you attach, and when you attach it, the system kicks on. So in here is a small cabinet, and the doors are going to be on this side over here. And the lower half of this cabinet is the broom cabinet, and so broom, mop, and the central vac head will be in here, and the upper part of this cabinet will be the medicine cabinet in the kitchen. But in the main floor, I have a central vac port here, and so with a 50-foot hose, I'll be able to reach from here through the whole living room, kitchen, all the way over to there, and service the whole main area from there. And from this unit, from the central vac, I'll be able to service the whole garage, and there'll be one central vac here which services the whole ADU. Then the rest of the lower floor is gathering space, living room here, and then sliding doors to the back porch, dining room, china cabinet which covers over this door so you can't see it. And then if my mom's in town, then we'll probably move the china cabinet so there's a doorway between the units. But if it's a traveling nurse, then we'll just keep this blocked off from both sides. Then the dining table, kitchen island with an overhang. Some really cool features with this island. I'll get into that when I get to that point. You'll see it, but I'm doing a horizontal can rack in here for food storage. I did a similar one in my Idaho house. This will be version 2.0, so it'll be a lot nicer for various reasons, but suffice to say, the math says it should hold a little over 1,000 cans, probably more than that if it were totally full. Then basic kitchen layout, kitchen cabinets, fridge, cabinets, uppers, range with a hood, base, dishwashers, and then these are pantry. Then we have over here, we have a piano, window, door out to the south side of the house. Hopefully we'll do some sort of greenhouse out here, and so this door kind of is be the door to go out that way. then out here's the craft room, craft table, full height cabinets, full height cabinets, full height cabinets, and then this will be a Murphy bed drop down that'll serve as a guest bed. So this will be a queen bed that drops down, and then this table will just move out of the way for if this is ever used as a guest room. That is the basics. Oh, forgot this part. So here we have a bathroom under the stairs, so the vanity will go over here and the toilet will go over here. Very, very simple, just half bath underneath the stairs. And then that's it for the main floor. And so then we have a patio out back and the patio up front. Now my plan for both of these, all these areas outside, are to do large precast pavers, like 3 foot by 4 foot by 1.5 inch, and I'll cast those all out of GFRC, which is glass fiber reinforced concrete. I'll be doing the same thing for all my countertops, as well as all of my external windowsills, and the window surrounds are going to be out of GFRC, and then the showers will also be GFRC. So we'll have a GFRC surround around this shower, and then the upstairs ones as well. Extremely versatile material. You can make all sorts of stuff with it, and it's relatively inexpensive to get it. If you were to hire it out, it becomes very expensive, but it's very affordable overall when you do it yourself. So that's the basic premise of this one. On the next floor, we will do that in another video. Thanks. As it will service for all the in-floor radiant heat.